Hi, my name is Arty, and welcome to Arty Finance. Today, I'm excited to share with you some realistic ideas on how you can work toward making an extra $200 a day. Before we begin, I want to stress that the information I'm sharing is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and the ideas presented here may work for some people, while they might not be a perfect fit for everyone. It is always important to do your own research and consider speaking with a professional before making any significant changes to your financial strategy. With that said, let's dive into some practical methods and strategies that could help you achieve this goal. First, let's talk about the importance of mindset and planning. Earning an extra $200 a day requires dedication and a clear plan. It starts with setting realistic goals and understanding that it might take time to build up to that level of income. I recommend taking some time to list your skills, interests, and the amount of time you can realistically dedicate each day. This initial self-assessment can guide you toward opportunities that align with your strengths and available resources. Whether you have experience in digital marketing, customer service, creative arts, or any other field, there are many ways to leverage your talents to earn money. The key is to be persistent and adaptable. One method that many people have found success with is freelancing. Freelancing allows you to offer your skills on a project-by-project basis through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. For example, if you're skilled in graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing, you can set up a profile and start bidding on projects. The advantage of freelancing is that you can choose projects that fit your schedule and expertise. And as you build a portfolio and receive positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Over time, with consistent work and excellent service, you could earn $200 or more a day. Remember that the early days might involve lower pay rates while you build credibility, so patience is key. Another option to consider is affiliate marketing. This is a popular method where you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. Many people find affiliate marketing to be a sustainable way to create a stream of income over time. It often starts with building a website, a blog, or even using social media channels to create content that resonates with your audience. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and to promote products that you truly believe in. Transparency is crucial, so always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. This not only builds trust, but also ensures you comply with regulations and platform policies. If you're more comfortable with the idea of selling your own products or services, consider creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printable resources. Digital products can be a great way to earn passive income because once you create the content, you can sell it repeatedly without having to manage physical inventory or shipping. Start by identifying a topic that you have expertise in or that is in high demand. Once you have your product ready, use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to host and sell your product. With the right marketing strategy, including social media promotion and search engine optimization, you can attract a steady stream of customers and gradually reach your goal of earning an extra $200 a day. Another area that is worth exploring is the gig economy. There are many opportunities in today's market for part-time or gig work that can supplement your income. For example, you might consider driving for ride-sharing companies, delivering food, or offering services through platforms like TaskRabbit. While these might seem like small tasks individually, when combined, they can add up to a significant amount. The key is to identify gigs that fit your schedule and location and to optimize your time by choosing the most efficient tasks. Many people find that combining a few different gigs allows them to maintain flexibility while still reaching their income goals. Investing in the stock market or other investment opportunities is another avenue that some have pursued to generate extra income. However, it's important to approach this option with caution and to educate yourself thoroughly before making any investment decisions. Investing always carries a degree of risk, and it is essential to diversify your portfolio and not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. If you're new to investing, consider starting with low-risk options such as index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and gradually expand your portfolio as you become more confident. Always be wary of get-rich-quick schemes, as these often promise unrealistic returns and can lead to significant financial losses. For those who enjoy teaching or mentoring, another creative way to earn extra income is by offering tutoring or consulting services. With the rise of online education platforms, it has never been easier to share your expertise with others. You can set up sessions on websites like tutor.com or even offer one-on-one consultations via video calls. Whether you specialize in academic subjects, music, languages, or even career coaching, there is a demand for personalized guidance. It's important to clearly define your services, set competitive pricing, and always strive to provide high-quality help. Positive word of mouth and reviews can quickly lead to more clients and consistent daily earnings. You may also want to consider monetizing your hobbies. Many people have found that turning a passion into a side hustle can be both fulfilling and profitable. If you have a creative hobby like photography, crafts, or even cooking, there might be a way to share your passion with others while earning money. For example, you could sell your photos online, create handmade items to sell on platforms like Etsy, or even start a food blog with monetized recipes. The benefit of monetizing a hobby is that it often feels less like work and more like an extension of something you love. Just remember to maintain the balance between passion and profit, ensuring that you are providing value to your audience. When exploring these options, it's crucial to stay informed about the policies of any platform you decide to use. YouTube, for instance, has specific guidelines regarding financial advice and money-making claims. To ensure that your content is compliant, avoid making exaggerated claims or promises of guaranteed income. Instead, focus on sharing your personal experiences, research, and well-founded strategies. Transparency and honesty go a long way in building trust with your audience. It's also a good idea to include disclaimers that clarify that the information is based on your own experiences and research, and that individual results may vary. It's also essential to plan your time effectively. Earning an extra $200 a day might not happen overnight, and it often requires consistent effort and smart time management. Start by setting aside specific hours each day dedicated to working on your side projects. Whether it's during the early morning, late evening, or weekends, find a schedule that allows you to focus and be productive. Using tools like calendars, to-do lists, or project management apps can help keep you on track. Over time, as your side hustle grows, you might even be able to turn it into a full-time endeavor, if that aligns with your long-term goals. One of the most important aspects of success in any of these ventures is the willingness to learn and adapt. Markets change, platforms update their policies, and what works today might not work tomorrow. Commit to continuous learning, whether that means taking online courses, reading industry blogs, or connecting with communities of like-minded individuals. Networking with others who have similar goals can provide valuable insights and open doors to new opportunities. Remember, the journey to earning an extra $200 a day is as much about personal growth as it is about financial gain. It's also wise to start small and scale up gradually. If you're launching a new side project, set achievable milestones. For instance, if your goal is to earn an extra $200 a day, break that down into smaller targets, such as making $50 on your first week and then gradually increasing your earnings as you refine your strategies. Tracking your progress not only keeps you motivated, but also helps you understand which methods are most effective for your particular situation. Celebrate the small victories along the way, and use any setbacks as learning opportunities rather than reasons to give up. While the journey to making extra money can be exciting, it's important to maintain a balanced perspective. Avoid falling into the trap of overpromising and under-delivering. Instead, focus on providing genuine value and building a reputation for reliability and honesty. This approach not only helps you comply with platform policies, but also sets you up for long-term success. Over time, as you build trust with your audience or clients, you may find that more opportunities naturally come your way. As you experiment with these different strategies, always keep an eye on your overall financial health. It can be tempting to invest every extra dollar you earn back into your side hustle, but remember that maintaining a safety net is crucial. Ensure that you have a budget in place and that you're setting aside funds for emergencies. Financial stability should always be a priority, even as you pursue new income streams. A balanced approach will help you weather any unexpected challenges while still working toward your goal of making an extra $200 a day. In summary, there are many ways to work toward earning extra income, from freelancing and affiliate marketing to digital products and gig economy work. The key is to choose methods that align with your skills and lifestyle, remain compliant with platform policies, and stay dedicated to continuous improvement. I hope that these ideas inspire you to take action and explore the possibilities available to you. Remember, success rarely happens overnight, and the journey is as important as the destination. I encourage you to start small, stay persistent, and always keep learning. Thank you for watching and taking the time to consider these strategies. I'm Arty from Arty Finance, and I truly believe that with the right mindset, effort, and a willingness to adapt, you can build a sustainable way to earn extra income. Keep in mind that every journey is unique, and while the goal of making an extra $200 a day is ambitious, it is achievable with dedication and the proper planning. I wish you all the best on your journey to financial empowerment, and I look forward to sharing more tips and insights with you in the future. Let's continue learning, growing, and striving for success together. Stay tuned, stay motivated, and thank you for being a part of this community.